Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to make this very cute giraffe. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, we're going to start with like a 1-inch bubble for the nose. Always remember to twist in the same direction. Hold your first bubble and your second bubble. Okay. Now we're going to start with the top of the head of the giraffe. So we're going ahead and you do about a 4-inch bubble. Hold it, pinch, and twist. You have something like that. And then we're going to do about a 1-inch bubble. Follow that same exact twist. And do another 1-inch bubble. Fold it. And twist. And now you have the face and then the top of the head for the giraffe. Now is going to be your neck. Neck is pretty long, okay? So I normally measure this by using my whole hand, extending my thumb, and then I come down, and then I use my whole fist again, and then that's where I pinch, okay? Because we have to do the legs. So that's going to be a long neck. So just to give you a visual, you're going to have a pretty long neck, okay? And so you're going to pinch there. Now you're going to do your legs, okay? Pinch and twist. Remember, you have to hold your first, and in this case, this is my first bubble, and my last bubble, okay? Fold it, twist. So this is what you should have now, okay? Now this is going to be your body, about another hand's width, pinch, twist, okay? And now you have to do your legs, pinch, twist. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Now, if you create this and you're wondering why your body of your giraffe is too large, it's because you didn't make your neck long. So just do it again. And just, it's about proportions, okay? So just make sure that neck is really long. And now it's time to do your artwork. I typically do, I'll show you here. I do like a, I don't know if I want to call them like a C, and then just do little lashes, okay? The artwork is up to you. I do a big smile. And then you can do rectangles, you can do squigglies, whatever you decide to do for your artwork, okay? Again, if you have a really long line of kids waiting, you can't sit here and be really meticulous with your designs. As long as it has a couple of little details, it reads that it's a giraffe, okay? And there you have it. Give your giraffe a name. Don't use the name Jeffrey. All right. Happy twisting, y'all. Thank you for watching.